Welcome everybody to this new video tech express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started by adding a live chat inside our actual website of Shopify. First of all, you need an actual Shopify store. So if you don't have one, I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description so we can all get started totally free. Now, step number one is to access your Shopify dashboard and navigate directly inside your online store. Now, once you have claimed the actual element that I just gave you down below in the description, you might be seeing something like this. So what you want to do is to focus directly now here into the pod where we can focus into the customization on the online store. So usually we can add a new section here inside online store and go directly here on themes and go into customize. Now here into customize, of course, there's not going to be appearing the live chat support since we don't have this added yet. So that means that we need to add this manually by choosing an actual application. And for that, let's go here into applications, and here into apps, I'm going to type the word chat. Now here I'm going to go here into search for Shopify App Store. This one should be popping up a new section of the actual Shopify, where you can just get started by connecting with our Shopifyers. So usually what we do have is a lot of elements. For example, the Shopify Inbox. Now here, the Shopify Inbox is developed, of course, by the Shopify that can be helping you to get started and checking out what we can just aim for, the messages they leave us, everything around here into Shopify. So inside here, I have the overview and I can enable the setup of my actual chat. This one should be sending you directly here into the online store chat. And as you can see here, I have the actual icon button. So I have the chat bubble, I have the email, I have the question mark, team, hand wave, whatever. Choose what best suits for you. And then here's the label of the chat. So vertical position, let's go for example higher. And hi, message us with any help questions, we're happy to help. So I'm going to hit now into save. And the saved has now been saved. So what I'm going to be doing here is to copy. I'm going to go to load my page. I want to make sure that I see the chat now section here. I'm going to copy this actual website. I'm going to open a new private window. I'm going to paste my actual website. And what I'm going to be doing here today is to try to see if the chat support actually works for me. So I'm going to go here into chat. So you see here, I have the instant answer. So let's say, for example, here, I have a question and I send my message. So before we get started, it's going to be asking us for our name. So let's go for Tom questions, something like that. Administrator at example.com. So start the chat. So now I have one question today and I have nothing else here. So I'm gonna go now back into my store. Now as you should see here, we are into the inbox. So what I wanted to do is to try to check out and reload the page, of course. Now I have one message on read. So I'm gonna go here into view messages, Shopify inbox. This one should be sending me into the inbox of the application of my Shopify store. And now I should be now connected, of course, inside these elements. You can enable the notification just in case you have any question that you wanted to respond like right away. So I have a question and you can just get started by adding your information. For example, hello, how can I help you? Right? And here into the actual conversation, what you can do is to assign stuff for more elements. For example, here's the customer, assign stuff. We can assign this for somebody else. But in my case, let's say that I'm going to be taking care of this. So I go back here into my supporting section. Hello, how can I help you? So you should see now it is actually working. So if you wanted to aim for live support chat, let's say for example to do it much more faster, you can start by adding some managing instant answers that can be helping you to what is your return policy, and then you resolve the question for that. So here's the question, here's my answer. If somebody has a question, here is the actual answer. So I just turn this on and I hit now into save. Now, if you wanted to focus and let's say, for example, chat, you can even chat here inside with a mobile application at Shopify, so you can always answer the questions. If you are at the gym, if you are eating something, whatever, you can always answer the questions of your store. But let's say, for example, that maybe you wanted more like a chat bot. So what you can do is to aim for more section, for example, the TDO, live chat, and the chatbots. So all of this, for example, is going to be doing all the job for me. What I need to do, of course, is to install the actual TDO and tell the chatbot. Let's say, for example, I asked all the questions that everybody could answer to me, and I give them the actual questions, the answers that I can be telling them as I am inside my actual website. Of course, this might be taking a few times. There's a free trial version. Those additional charges may apply. But so far, since we are just getting started, since we are having just a few sales, I believe like we can handle this by ourselves by going now here into the point of sale, here into the inbox, and having all those basic elements for live support. With that being said, guys, we're now reaching to the very end of the video. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time, and happy selling. See you soon.